At Enablers, we witnessed extraordinary moments where dreams unfold and successes become reality. Here, we have celebrated the remarkable milestones achieved by our talented students. At Enablers, dreams have taken flight. For many, it was the exhilarating moment of earning their first dollar.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो है ना एक अच्छी इनकम आनी शुरू हो गई है।
ICS के बाद YouTube से साकी की वीडियो देखी और उसके बाद एनेबलर को ज्वाइन किया
और हम अपनी मेडिकल इनकम डॉलर ही अर्न करके कर सकते हैं।
मैंने अपना होटल स्टार्ट किया तो वहाँ से पहला डॉलर अर्न किया।
A testament to their dedication and unwavering commitment to their journey.
आज हम कामयाब हैं।
But it wasn't just about those first dollars. It was a celebration of the bold ones among us who dared to dream bigger. Those who took the leap and established their own agencies, carving their paths in the entrepreneurial landscape.
Good luck to all of you. I hope this journey goes well.
From the early days of learning to the monumental achievement of creating their agencies, each milestone stands as a testament to their dedication.
So I wish you good luck.
And among these celebrations, Sir Saqib Azhar graced us with his inspiring words, highlighting the dedication of our members.
जो पिच पे पहला रन लिया जाता है और फिर ही सेंचुरी बनती है.
At Enablers, success is not just an individual achievement. It is a shared celebration. It's the collective applause for every hurdle conquered, every milestone surpassed, and every dream realized. So to every student who earned that first dollar and to those who boldly ventured into establishing their agencies, congratulations. WORC, work on real collaborations.